Greenacres senior faces the possibility of jail time for charges she electrocuted squirrels. Thanks for staying with KXLY. I'm Aaron Luna. Someone reported this local woman last fall when they walked by her yard and saw several dead squirrels hanging from a fence. Now she's been charged with felony animal cruelty. KXLY4's Ariana Lake looking into this case. Ariana?
And if she's found guilty of those 9 counts of felony charges, she could do time behind bars. She could pay thousands of dollars of fines. All this started with a walnut tree.
It's an unusual case of animal cruelty.
I have not personally ran into a case like this.
Scraps Animal Protection Officer Ted Adams says last fall, someone reported Mary Franks for electrocuting several squirrels.
The squirrels were electrocuted, and in the process, their paws were burned to the fence.
Once they died, she's accused of leaving their bodies hanging on the electrical fence. She told Adams,
And I'm keeping them up there to deter the other squirrels from coming on, and they're my trophies.
all this to keep the squirrels away from her walnut tree.
And she just said, I was protecting my investments. I put up the electric fence to keep them from getting in there.
At question is how much the animals suffered, if at all.
The way it was done was inhumane.
That's why Franks is charged with 9 counts of felony animal cruelty.
It's ridiculous.
Frank's attorney, Brendan Kidd, says this charge is designed for people who torture animals. He intends to prove that's not what happened here.
It certainly looks like she's not intending to inflict undue suffering, and it certainly looks like there is no undue suffering going on. It looks like a couple of squirrels instantaneously died.
Adams maintains they didn't die immediately, which is why such serious charges were brought against this woman. As the case makes its way through the court system, Adams says you can learn from what happened.
There's other options. Killing an animal is not the first option. It's not the best option. Look into other means of deterring the animals from coming onto the property.
This woman has no criminal history. Each charge carries up to a $10,000 fine and up to 5 years in prison if she's found guilty. We'll continue to follow this. Her next court appearance is May 1st. Reporting live outside the Spokane County Courthouse, I'm Ariana Lake, KXLY4 News.